Nowadays, AI talk is everywhere. You see it in the news, on LinkedIn, in your workplace discussions. It feels like the whole world is shouting AI.
AI, AI, AI.
All beyond all the hype, what does AI actually mean for your career? Have you ever worried that AI might replace your job or wondered how you can use it without being a tech expert? Another question: if you are not a programmer, do you still need AI skills to grow your career? And the answer is yes. In fact, the fastest growing career opportunities in the AI era are not just for coders or programmers, they are for professionals who know how to use AI effectively. Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Talk with Ritesh. And in this video, I'll share the top 5 AI skills every professional should learn, whether you are in business, marketing, HR, design, or management. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding on how to future proof your career in the age of AI. Now, before we dive into the top 5 AI skills, let's pause up for a moment and ask the big question: why do AI skills matter at all? Especially if you are not a programmer. The reality is, AI adoption is exploding across every single industry. It's no longer something only used in research labs or tech companies. In almost every industry, AI tools are already being integrated into everyday workflows. Companies don't just need AI engineers who build the technology, they also need AI literate professionals. People in every role who know how to use these tools smartly and responsibly. Let me give you some examples. For example, in HR, AI is helping recruiters screen thousands of resumes in minutes and even assist with employee engagement. In marketing, AI is being used to generate creative content, analyze customer behavior, and personalize campaigns at scale. In finance, AI can forecast market trends, detect fraud, and automate reporting. And the list goes on. So here is the bottom line: learning AI skills is not just about keeping up with technology, it's about giving yourself a competitive advantage. If you can show that you know how to use AI effectively, you will be more valuable to your teams, more likely to get promoted, and more secure in your career, even as roles evolve in the age of automation. That's why these skills matter and why this is the perfect time to start building them. The very first AI skill every professional should learn is prompt engineering, or in simple words, how to talk to AI effectively. And just don't take it very lightly. Think of AI like a super smart intern. It can research, draft, calculate, and even create designs. But it only performs well if you give clear instructions. If you are vague while giving instructions, you will get vague results. If you are specific, you will get high quality output. That is what prompt engineering is all about. So, how do you do it? Let me break it down. First, learn to write prompt that get better results. Don't just throw a one liner and hope for magic. Instead of, maybe structure your prompt like a clear request. Second, always add context to it. You can guide AI by telling it the role it should play and the tone you want, the format of the output. For example, imagine you are in marketing. Instead of just typing something vague like write social media content, you could say you are a social media strategist. Write 3 Instagram captions for a new eco-friendly water bottle. Use an engaging, playful tone. Include one emoji maybe per caption, and end with a call to action. This is how you give a proper prompt. Third, understand the limitations. AI can sometimes hallucinate. What is the meaning of it? It might produce information that sounds correct, but it is not. That is why you must always verify and cross check anything critical. The second AI skill you absolutely need is data literacy, the ability to understand, interpret, and question data. AI runs on data, we all know. Every chart, prediction, or recommendation an AI tool gives you is built on some form of data. And while you don't need to become a data scientist, you don't need to be comfortable reading and questioning it. Let's start with the basics. There are two broad types of data. We know that structured data, things like sales numbers, customer details, or website analytics that live in maybe row and column structure. Unstructured data, things like customer reviews, emails, videos, social media posts. AI is especially powerful in analyzing unstructured data because humans cannot easily scan thousands of records, thousands of reviews, thousands of hours of videos. Now, here is where professionals often go wrong. They blindly trust AI generated reports. Always check the facts. Learn how to question AI so you can lead smarter discussions in meetings. Another critical piece is spotting bias. AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on. If the data is biased, the output will be biased too. So remember this, you don't need to become a data scientist, but if you can read charts, question assumptions, and validate AI insights, you will stand out in your career. This one is my favorite. One of the most powerful ways professionals can use AI is workflow automation. Basically, getting rid of repetitive, boring tasks so you can focus on meaningful work. Think about how much time you lose in a week to small things. For example, scheduling meetings, drafting routine emails, pulling together reports, or even copying data from one tool into another. AI tools can take that off your plate. Some great tools are, for example, Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT plugins, and there are many. These tools connect your applications together and automate steps that normally takes hours. For example, like I told earlier, let's take HR. AI can automatically screen thousands of resumes, shortlist candidates, and even draft polite rejection emails. Few organizations already started first tech screening round with AI bots. In marketing, instead of manually creating performance reports, AI can auto generate campaign dashboards every Monday morning. In finance, AI can classify invoices into categories and highlight potential errors, saving hours of manual checking. And you don't need to be technical to set these up. Most of these platforms are designed for non techies. If you become the person who knows how to design even small AI powered workflow, you will quickly stand out at work for sure. A lot of people worry that AI will take over creative jobs. But the reality is, AI is not a replacement for creativity, it's an amplifier. It helps you move faster from a blank page to a polished idea. There are so many amazing tools today: Canva AI, Midjourney, DALI, Adobe Firefly. And the best part, you don't need to be a coder or a designer or a techie to use them. For example, if you are putting together a presentation, AI can help you draft the first version of your slides. Another marketing one, you can brainstorm maybe 10 ads concept in minute instead of hours. But remember, don't let AI do the thinking for you. Think of it as a partner, not a replacement. You bring the originality, the context, the human touch, and AI helps speed things up and polish the output. So instead of staring at a blank screen, you can use AI to quickly create drafts, mockups, and ideas, and then spend your time refining them with your personal creativity. That combination, human originality plus AI speed, is what will set you apart. Very important skill. The skill is what really separates future leaders from the crowd. Knowing not just how to use AI, but when not to use it. Let's start with privacy. It might feel convenient to paste company document into a public AI tool, but that could expose sensitive business data. The smarter professionals know when to step back and ask, is this safe? Second, again, I am focusing on bias. AI systems can reflect the biases in the data they are trained on. That means if you blindly trust an output, you might be reinforcing discrimination without realizing it. Being able to spot and question bias is a leadership trait. Then there are business trade offs. Free AI tools might be quick and easy, but enterprise grade solutions often bring better security, compliance, and accountability. A professional who can weigh cost, risk, and impact shows real business maturity. At the end of the day, AI ethics is not about slowing you down. It is about making sure the work you deliver is reliable, secure, and responsible. And that makes you invaluable in any industry. All right, let's wrap this up with a quick recap of the 5 skills every professional should learn. Prompt engineering, how to talk to AI clearly and get better results. Data literacy, knowing how to read and question AI outputs. Workflow automation, saving time by automating repetitive tasks with AI tools. AI enhanced creativity, using AI as your creative partner, not a replacement. Ethical AI and business awareness, understanding when to use AI and when not to. The best part is you don't need to be a coder or a techie to master these. But if you start building these skills now, you will not only future proof your career, you will also unlock new opportunities and make yourself stand out in any profession. If this video gave you some clarity, please hit the like button, share it with your colleagues, and of course, subscribe to Tech Talk with Ritesh for more career and tech insights. And I would love to hear from you which AI skill are you most excited to learn first. Drop your answer in the comment box. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep building the future. Thank you so much.